your friend Learning Lyra. Welcome to my studio. This is where I make all my art projects and get crafty. Do you want to join me in making something creative today? Do you see all these paper I have with me? What do they look like to you? Think about it. Do you know what it looks like to me? A boat! Really, I'm not joking. This may be just a sheet of paper now, but today we're going to be turning the sheets of paper into boats. We'll be doing this by folding this paper in a specific and special way. This is called origami. We can make shapes like boats out of paper through origami. Let's get started. First, we'll fold our paper in half along the long side. Just like this. And then, unfold it and fold it again in half along the short side, just like this. Our paper should look like this now. It's folded in half with the last fold we did at the top. See? Isn't that cool? Try to double check that your paper looks the same as mine. Now, we'll fold down each of the top corners in, like this. Our paper should look like this now. It's folded in half with the last fold we did at the top. See? Isn't that cool? Try to double check that your paper looks the same as mine. Now we'll fold down each of the top corners in, like this. We want the tippy tip of each corner to touch the fold line at the center. We want them to line up all good and straight. Watch how I do it and try to do it yourself. Look at that! What a fun shape! Does your paper look like this? If it doesn't, you can go back to the beginning and try again. You can even use a new sheet to try a new color. Now, let's fold up the bottom flaps, both the front and back ones. Now, this part is very tricky. Watch what I do very carefully. Maybe even ask an adult to help you, just in case. Hold both sides and flatten out like this. You're doing great! Are you having a good time? We're halfway there! I'm very excited to finish our boat. Hold it so your paper looks like this. This flap looks kind of like wings, don't they? Fold up both of these layers so that all of the corners meet together perfectly at the top. See how nice and neat? Take both sides of your paper like this by putting your hands here. Are you ready? Pull the sides apart and flatten. Did you get it? Your paper should look like this now. See? Ta-da! Good job! Look at that! You've made a boat! I love origami. I can't believe we were able to make a boat from a piece of paper, all by using our hands. Can I see the boats you made? That looks great! You're a natural at origami. Imagine our little boat sailing across the ocean or floating down a river. Oh, maybe it can sail all the way around the world. Thank you for joining me today in making this art project. If you like this video and want to watch more episodes of Hands-on Art, don't forget to subscribe to I Am Learning. You can ask an adult to help you if you don't know how. I hope to see you next time, friend. I'm Learning Lyra, and have an amazing day. papers should look like this now. Ay, sorry. Sabi ko, bakit parang gumagano?